Wow, you did it! Chapter 14, the final chapter in the book, but not the final activity of the course. This chapter is entitled Applying and Interviewing for Employment, and I want to look specifically at BEI questions, behavioral event questions, found on page 401. I've had a lot of experience with BEI questions. I've used it for years and years and years in Shell. Behavioral event interview questions are based on the theory that your behavior at work today will be similar to the behavior of work you performed in the past. And what happens is a set of questions is generated based on job requirements. One of the most common job requirements today is the soft skill of working on a team. So you might have a question like, tell us about a time you worked on a dysfunctional team. Describe the dysfunction and what you did about it to correct it. Or tell us about a time you worked with an individual you just could not get along with. What did you do? How did you do it? What were the results? Notice these are not the easy questions of the past. When in my day, you'd sit down and they asked you the question they saw on the resume, and you realized at certain points that was the first time they looked at the resume. I believe those days are gone. My advice would be, should the time come or someone comes and asks you, how do I prepare for X job? It suggests generate all the questions you can think of related to the skill sets the job is advertising for. Then do what I did. Write them down and literally rehearse the answers. Personally, I didn't rehearse them in my brain. I rehearsed them verbally because I like to talk. You might have guessed that. A second point I want to make is found on page 400, structured versus unstructured interviews. Unstructured interviews? I don't think so. The reason they're structured is everybody should be asked the same questions through the same mode, be it face-to-face or online, in order to meet federal employment anti-discriminatory requirements. If you ask different questions, you can be opening up your business, probably not you, but your business, to a lawsuit and really bad publicity. You don't want that. Thank you for your time. I appreciate it. And we'll see you next time.